What's going on, guys? So I got the jump box. It's not for something that I own. We made a bad decision. Going to Douglas, gonna go pick up a project. Right now we're waiting on my buddy Ryan. He's gonna give us a ride. My dad's going. He's been around the corner, but he bought a motorcycle, so we gotta go pick that up. We gotta go pick up what I bought. But yeah, waiting on Ryan. Ryan will be here in a minute, and then we're gonna head to Douglas, and we're gonna pick this stuff up. And once we get there, I'll show you guys what I got. Come on, Levi. So I picked it up. I'm at Bo's house.
What's up?
What do you think, Bo?
Dude, this thing is hilarious. It looks like a work truck.
They don't know what it is. You just rent it.
Oh.
I mean, they probably already knew what it was.
It looks like a television.
Here it is.
Dude, check it out.
You guys should have known.
Should have known.
Should have known.
I mean, what do we need more of?
Yeah, exactly.
Hard box.
Let's see what's going on here.
Is it a 4-cylinder?
I think so.
We're about to find out. It is.
Bone stock. Oh, look, it has all that crap yours had.
Yep, it sure does. What year is this?
94. So this is transition year. So this is early 94, I guess.
Okay.
Because it has top feed injectors and it has this crap on it.
Ooh, it has top feeds?
Yep, just like your truck.
Nice. I might have some injectors to throw in here. If we want to turbo it.
Yeah. It's my daily.
Ronnie is going to insist that he's going to keep it relatively stock. He's just going to lower it and put some wheels on it and roll around on it, but we all know how that goes.
I mean, I already figured I need to ruin my life again.
So when's it getting a cage?
No, it's automatic.
Are the automatics supposed to be stout or?
No idea.
Me neither.
No idea.
Because I know we were talking about Subarus the other day and how the automatics are more stout than the manuals.
Yeah, like the 5-speed. Yeah. Yeah, I have no idea. I got this motorcycle at the same time.
How much did you get this truck for?
$200.
$200.
Yeah.
With the motorcycle and this freaking diesel tank and pump.
Yeah.
How ridiculous is this? My goodness.
And it's in like pretty good shape, right? Like.
Because, in my opinion, any running driving vehicle is pretty much $1,000 vehicle.
Yeah.
Any running driving car should be worth $1,000, I think.
Agreed.
And then you add this diesel tank and pump, which are probably what? That's like $500 right there, right?
I would say probably close.
And then a little $100 bike. Does the bike run, or do we know?
I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll find out when Levi starts riding it.
That's the actual project that I brought home. Not the truck, the bike. But like the inside's pretty good, right?
Dang, look at all these games, dude. Did the games come with it, or did you already have the games?
No, I got the games, but I'm
That's
taking
Red Dead
the
Redemption 2,
I'm gonna go try and get Modern
Battlefield,
Warfare.
Fallout 4. Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
You're gonna get what? Modern Warfare? Is that what you said?
I'm gonna try it. Yeah.
Nice, nice,
We'll
nice.
see what they give me for those. Probably
All right, dude, this thing's in good shape.
Yeah, that's not bad. 138,000 miles.
Power Ranches, named after the Ronnie Power family. Aw, look at this love that's going on between Peach and Nora. So sweet.
Yeah, I'm thinking you have 16-inch D windows, right?
I do. They're right over here.
Like I have a set. I have two. No, I have a set. I have three actually. I'm
Okay.
thinking 16-inch D windows.
Okay.
Lower it and just cruise it around.
Boom. Done.
And then probably a turbo. Micro Squirt in the near future.
I knew it was coming. I knew it was coming.
I mean,
All right.
I can't be lame. I'm like the hard body guy in Sierra Vista. You know
Right
what I
on.
mean?
Right on.
Like I'm the OG. So, I mean, it's got to have a turb ski over here. Oh, but the AC works, so I'm gonna have to do like turbo right so that I can keep AC because it's so nice.
Okay. All right, cool, cool. I mean, I was gonna do the same thing with mine. Take this line and like get a custom one made so I could run it all the way around here.
I love it, dude. Like I was driving back from where I got it, and it was just like freezing the whole time.
Kick the AC on? Nice.
Oh, it was so nice.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Dude, if you're excited, I'm excited.
Yeah, not much of a project. I just wanted to share with you guys.
Right on.
We're not gonna be doing anything with it.
But now you'll have a truck to tow your other hard body with. Dude, that would be sick. If you drove around in a cool lowered hard body, like towing your freaking drift hard body. That'd be rad.
Bigger than both trucks.
Yeah, dude. Well, nice. Well, awesome. And it's an extended cab, and you really like extended cabs.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Levi likes the little jump seats in the back and stuff.
Oh, it has the jump seats?
Yeah.
So neat. Hey, Peach.
You can just take that out if you want.
Jump seats. Dude, that's so awesome. So awesome.
Yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to just drive it around. It has a code. We gotta figure out what's wrong with it. So maybe it'll be on the channel. Let us know.
It has an OBD2 port?
Yeah, yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's a 95. Or it's
Cool.
a 94, I guess, right? Is what I said?
Did you get your little Bluetooth thing in yet?
Yeah, I got it. I put it on the... So, your WRX doing some bullshit.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
7 pounds, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fucking Forester 2.
Is it really?
Yep. Sometimes it rips, sometimes it doesn't.
Weird.
So
mine kind of does the same thing.
We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out.
Well, okay.
Can you have one of these boards? Oh no, it doesn't. There's just like a plate there blocking it off.
Interesting.
Weird. It's a round dash. I figured it would.
Did your hard body have an OBD2 port?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe the OBD2 connector is up under the dash.
Maybe.
Because sometimes they are. Sometimes they're just like a little connector, like sticking down from
Maybe it's OBD1.
the guts. Maybe. I guess we'll find out.
I don't care.
Well, all right.
My new job.
Ronnie has a daggum hard body to drive.
I know, we can like mob now with our hard bodies.
Yeah, dude. So next video, this thing's gonna have D windows on it and have lowering blocks, and we'll have the torsion bars cranked down all the way to the bump stops because we don't do research.
Nah, I don't think so. It's gonna be a minute before I play with it.
Dude, our dogs get along better than we do. What the crap?
You let them out. See what happens.
All right. Well, look for our next video when me and Ronnie are rolling around in our hard bodies. Weird.
Weird, right? Like
Weird.
I have a running hard body now.
Yeah, dude.
Strange. It's been like a year.
So weird.
Come on, Peach.
All right. We'll catch us in our next video.
Bye, guys.
Laters.